Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a shipping template on TikTok Shop. First, you will need to log into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once logged in, look for the Orders tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Orders, then select Shipping Settings to access the Shipping Configuration area. This is where you begin customizing your delivery options for customers. Next, you will create a new shipping template. It is crucial to select the Shipped by Seller option to ensure your custom shipping rules are applied. Then, click the Add New Template button to begin configuring your settings. Give your template a clear and descriptive name, such as Standard Shipping or Express Delivery, for easy identification later. Now, let's configure your shipping regions and rates. Before setting rates, ensure your warehouse addresses are accurately entered in your account settings. You will then define the specific delivery areas where you offer shipping. For each region, set your shipping costs, choosing between a weight-based or quantity-based model. For example, you might set a flat rate of $3 for orders up to 1 kilogram. Finally, it's time to review and activate your template. Double-check all the settings you've configured, including regions, rates, and any exclusions, to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, click Submit or Save to finalize your new shipping template. Remember to assign this template to your products so customers see the correct shipping options when making a purchase. You are now ready to sell.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.